The Ford FK1000, later known as the Ford Taunus Transit, was a German-built light commercial vehicle produced between 1953 and 1965 at Ford's Cologne plant, with additional assembly in Azambuja, Portugal, until 1966. It was Ford's response to the Volkswagen T1 Transporter and other early post-war vans, marking Ford's entry into the European small van market with a forward-control design. The FK1000's name signified Ford Cologne and a 1,000 kilograms payload capacity. A later FK1250 model increased payload to 1,250 kilograms. Development began in the early 1950s after the success of the Volkswagen Transporter. Ford recruited Alfred Haesner, the T1's designer, who led the Cologne design team. The prototype, completed in 1952, resembled the Volkswagen but evolved into a more practical vehicle. Ford worked with Drau's work in Heilbronn to finalize a welded unibody design with a flat, 5 cubic meters load floor, wide rear doors, and side access. This made it attractive to tradesmen, emergency services, and delivery fleets. Initial models used a 1.2 liters inline-4 engine from the Taunus 12M, producing 38 horsepower, offering a top speed of 95 kilometers per hour, faster than rivals. In 1955, the engine was moved between the front seats to improve weight distribution, and a 1.5 liters, 55 horsepower engine became available. By 1958, indicators replaced semaphore signals, and the FK1250 was introduced. Multiple body styles followed: panel van, combi, bus, pickup, and specialized chassis for ambulances, fire trucks, and hearses. Despite robust sales, Ford's heavy FK truck line suffered from poor reliability, damaging the FK badge's reputation. In 1961, the van was rebranded as the Ford Taunus Transit, introducing the Transit name that became iconic. Production ended in Cologne in December 1965, replaced by the unified Ford Transit, developed under Project Redcap to merge British and German van lines. The FK1000 and Taunus Transit saw 255,132 units built and played a pivotal role in shaping Ford's European commercial vehicle strategy. Surviving examples are rare due to hard commercial use, but they are prized by collectors as the origin of the legendary Transit line.